and show your grin. Clean teeth help us always win. Splash, splash, wash your face, wipe it dry, nice and safe. Comb your hair so it's not wild. Now you look like a tidy child. Put on clothes, one leg too, shirt and socks and one shoe too. Tie your laces or make them neat. Look, you're ready head to feet. Morning time is fun, you see. It helps us all feel happy and free.